So I'm at HD Tonbury. I'm just going to get some rear brake pads. When we went up to Khon Kaen, I was told by the dealer there, and I agree, the brake pads are low. So just going to get a quick change. So as you can see, very low. So the technicians at Harley Tonbury just going to change the rear brake. Installed already, very quick. Just doing a quick test ride. Those brake pads were really low. I'm glad the guys at Khon Kaen told me about it. I never thought to check. Pretty bad. Big difference. Looks really good. It was very low before. How much longer you think on the front? How many miles you think on? How many kilometers on the front left? Good, much better. So brake pads on now, get some gas and then go home. Well, hopefully we'll pass a Shell on the way home.